Lesson 1.
The verb to be. I am. She is. He is. It is. We are. You are. They are.
Let us do a little practice.
The car, red. The car is red. She a student. She is a student. I a singer. I am a singer. They from Cuba. They are from Cuba. You a good chef. You are a good chef. The man, the boss. The man is the boss. We happy. We are happy. We ready for any challenge. We are ready for any challenge. Now let's do a quick summary.
I am a cook.
She is a cook.
He is a cook.
It is a notebook. We are hot. You are hot. They are hot.
Great job, and keep learning. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.